Finally got to try the Bia Liquid Eyebrow Pencil. This is available in three shades: gray brown, natural brown, and smoke gray. I've used eyebrow gel to shape my brows. Now, let's use Bia Liquid Eyebrow Pencil to fill in sparse areas and further define the brows. I'm using gray brown to match my wig. Use light hand to draw hair-like strokes. I love that you can draw super thin lines and the pigment is light, consistent, and buildable. This is with Bia Liquid Eyebrow Pencil, and this is with brow gel only. Let's draw the other side too. This liquid eyebrow pencil is waterproof and sweatproof. This is now in my makeup must-have list.